They love me. So yeah, we were having a great day. Everything was going great. Other than having removed that down tree limb from the fence line this morning, we were looking good. Then I started smelling smoke. I didn't see any smoke, didn't see any fires anywhere, but I kept smelling it. So I decided I'm gonna check underneath my hood. As soon as I propped the hood, I'm like, whoa, I saw some orange glow. I'm like, what the heck? So I turned off the engine. I walked back outside and propped the hood. And yeah, there were some orange embers coming from on top of the engine block, right underneath the air filter. So you might think I sped up the video here, but this is me moving at a rapid speed because I decided to grab some water and douse the area because I immediately recognized that it was a mouse nest. I had not driven or even started my van in 4 days, so a mouse had plenty of time to make a nest. Anyway, the moral of the story here is check underneath the hood to ensure that rodents have not eaten through the wires or built a nest. This could have been very serious. I could have lost my home on wheels. I was very lucky this time. Anyway, I checked all the wires and all the little hoses nearby, all the little vacuum hoses, and there was no damage. I did get lucky. Once I cleared the area of all the debris, I put the doghouse back in place. I double checked everything from the outside. Then I dropped the hood, got back in the truck, and it started right up. No problems. Again, I am fully aware of how fortunate I am that this wasn't more serious. Well, welcome back to another episode of Their Channel Is Too Big, So I'll Answer For Them. I answer people's questions from different channels because they're too big. They can't see your comment. I have van life experience, so I'll answer for them. Here we go. Sam Colligan writes, if I had a nickel for every time he says actually or fun fact, I'd be a millionaire. Sam, if you had a nickel every time I said and you'd be a billionaire. Jeffrey Allen Crone asks, okay, I have one question. How does your sliding door close so easily? Mine does not. Well, Jeffrey, have you tried white grease? If you haven't, I suggest you give it a whirl. White grease. 33 Larry asked, have you been to San Francisco? Got a stealth camp there. That would be awesome to see. Great videos, by the way. 33 Larry, I'm gonna have to disagree. It's like the whole city of San Francisco is van dwelling. If I were him, I'd pass that up. Thanks for the question. Rian Ma asks, your videos are so addictive. When are you coming to BC? Well, Rian, I'm gonna guess 3, maybe 4 more weeks. Because he kind of slowed down a little bit because I think the Alaska trip is off, so alrighty.